Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to install MySQL server as well as MySQL Workbench. So let's start. Search for MySQL and then the top list. Click on downloads, and then from here what we are going to do is we're going to do community downloads. From here we can download the community server as well as the MySQL Workbench. Let's download one by one. And for MySQL server we have LTS version, and then we can choose MySQL macOS as well as the ARM or x86. So my one is this, and then we are going to download the DMG. Then what you can do is you can sign up or log in, or you can just say no thanks and just download. So it is downloading this one. Let's close and let's download the Workbench as well. So from here we are going to choose the macOS, here ARM, and then we are going to choose the DMG version. Same process over here, no thanks, and it will download the Workbench. So now here both of these applications are downloaded. Let's install the MySQL server first. Double click it. This package will run a program to determine if the server can be installed. So allow, and then continue. Basically continue, agree, and then install for all users of this computer. So I'm going to choose that one, and then here you can choose the location to install. So I'll let it be as a default, and then it will be asking for the password. So 8 digit, so I put the root 1234, finish, and then it might ask you the password again. So this has been completed, so close, and then you can, do you want to move the MySQL community installer to trash, so move the trash. Now what we are going to do is check in the terminal. Let's check MySQL -root HP. So it says MySQL is not found. So there is one more step that we need to do. So go to search bar and then search for settings, and then go to the bottom of the page where it says MySQL, and then you can see the MySQL that we installed. Over here you can stop or start the MySQL, but the important thing that we need to do is we need to set the path of this MySQL. So let's go back over here, and then here what we can do is cd s and then ls-a, which will give you all the hidden file, and the important one is ZSHRC. Now what we can do is edit the ZSHRC. Open ZSHRC, and then it will open the other path that we need to be adding over here. Same as this one, we are going to add the path for our MySQL server. So here let's write the command MySQL server, and here export path, make sure I haven't tested with the capital or small, so make sure as same here, and then we are going to paste the path over here. Make a path, it's called to, and then dollar, and then path, and then what we are going to do is we are going to find the path of the server. So to copy the path, what we can do is go over here and then go to configuration and then go to MySQL data, or over here, just open it and then go to your version. So once you find the bin folder, you can copy the path over here, just click it and then check show in the finder, and then over here you can go to the view and then show path bar where you can see it, and then once you copy it, copy bin as a path name, and then come back to our JSHRC, and here just paste it the full path, and once it is done, then you can save it in the file. Just save it and then close this one. Let's close this one as well. Let's close this one and cancel this one. After that, let's go to the terminal again, and then here let's type the same thing, and then there you go. So my password is root1234, and then there you go. So databases, yep, there you go. Now you can create a database over here. Create the database demo. That is created. Now let's check again. So there is our database. Now to connect to see this database in UI, what we are going to do is we are going to install the MySQL Workbench. So go back and then go back to the MySQL Workbench. Let's install it. Okay, so our MySQL Workbench has been installed. So search for MySQL Workbench, and then let's open it. Now you have the default database over here. Let's go and then continue anyway, and then in the schemas you can see the demo database that we created. Okay, so that's it in this video. In the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to connect this database with our Laravel project. Thank you. See you in the next video.